Well, folks, we're in the new house, the garage. It's a sight for sore eyes. It needs some light in here, very dark. Anyways, first top of the morning here, and we're just trying to get everything set up inside the house. And once we're done, because a lot of this stuff goes in the house, but we need to finish setting things up. Come on. You're watching the Uncle Mike YouTube channel. Stick around. And with that being said, I got on the Amazon, ordered a few things. You can see I got one light there and a burnt out light right there. So new lights for out here in front of the garage. These are fluorescent. Listen to this thing buzz. Oh, it's hot. That thing's hotter than all get out. Anyways, like I said, we're just trying to get in this place, trying to just set everything up. A lot of stuff to do. A lot of things I want to do inside the house as well. So stick around. This is just going to be a little bit of a fixing things up, making it more appealing to the eye, for one would say. Solar powered or something, but it's a little light strip. I'll leave it there for now. Pull it down here soon, but it's good for now. Here are these lights. Looking real nice. Oh yeah. Look at that moon out there. This horrendous chandelier that I hit my head on because it's that doggone low. Gotta go. So I just went out there and cut the breaker back on. I threw one of those light bulbs in there. I'm gonna swap them to LEDs, but that's just what it looks like. Got rid of the chandelier. Probably about 7 foot off the ground now, easily 7 foot high. So plenty of clearance through here. Decent. And it's a pretty modern, it's a timeless ceiling piece. Timeless for now. We'll see how it looks. There's this horrendous gold-colored light out here. Getting rid of it. Absolutely horrendous. So I don't know how much I like this thing. Flickering light. Kind of looks cool. Kind of sucks, but looks cool. This chandelier thing here in the closet, gotta go. horrendous. So I just came back, cut the breaker on, got this, it's a much more simple light. Nice and bright, very simple design. A lot better than that. Oh, that chandelier over there. And it's brighter than all get out. So, heck yeah. These lights, gotta go. Not a fan. That tile over there, not sure when, but it's gotta go. A racetrack bathroom over there. Now I think these flat lights are a very timeless look. Very bright. Very nice. So what we're planning to do is retile this floor to ceiling here, or tub surround to ceiling. But for the time being, we're gonna go ahead and snatch this whole assembly out, take all the bracketry off, and just get rid of these doors and put an outbowing curtain on here, just so it kind of masks the racetrack tiles. And once that's done, I already took these doors off, but I'll show you how to do it because I didn't really think about it until it was too late. So I'll show you how to do it. So typically there's usually a screw, whether it's on the inside over here or the outside. Typically it's on the inside, so you can't see it from the outside looking in. Anyways, you take that screw out and then you just pick this assembly up. Watch this following video and you'll see exactly how to snatch this thing out of here. So it's good and apparent they didn't do a very good job sealing that. You can see that is all soap scum. So I'll come in here, clean it all, and then scrape and remove all of this silicone all the way around the shower surround, both sides. And then dispose of this here. Now this ain't perfect, but it is a lot better than the glass door. Nice setup. Good enough to hold us bond for now. Let's take a little trip. So I got this horse arena here. It's fixing to be up for grabs. This 3-horse corral right here. This thing's going bye-bye as well. I'm gonna keep the 10, and that's gonna be my piece together pole barn. Wind was blowing last night. It's typical for out here. Little shed. Another doggone shed. Got the Coyote out here. Got front tires on order. They should actually be here soon, but not sure. Look at this. Daggone wind knocked down my fence. Dogs are freaking out. I gotta get out of here. Back out front. Hurry. Can't believe that. They pumped this septic and didn't even cover it. Didn't even backfill. Unbelievable. Gate over here. This is some nice graveled parking and then just dirt. Nothing in front of me. Looks nice though. Let's rip all the way out back real quick. Side gate. I haven't lived off of a dirt road in a few years. But it ain't too bad. All the lots out here are about 2.5 or more. 2.5 being the smaller of the two. You can size this 2.5 or 5. It's basically what people have. So like the lot in front of my house, it's a 5-acre lot. It's a pretty nice deal. Now I got a beautiful entryway gate out here.